In this video, learn how to set up your favorite song as an alarm tone on your Android. Please note that this method may vary slightly depending on your Android device and its software version. On your Android device, open the Clock app. Navigate to the Alarm tab. Create a new alarm by tapping the plus icon or similar to add a new alarm. Set the alarm time or the desired wake-up time. Now tap on the Alarm Sound tab. You will then be asked if you have Spotify or YouTube Premium on your device. Select YouTube Music from the options. Now select your favorite song from the list below. Once selected, go back to the previous menu. Select if you want to vibrate by tapping on the option. That's it! So the next time your alarm rings, you will be greeted with your favorite music on your Android. Hope this video helps you. For more fascinating tech tips catered to your interests, subscribe to Guiding Tech and check out one of these videos you might find enjoyable.